There's a volcano on Mars so massive that if you stood at its base, you wouldn't even see the summit. It's called Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and the size of Arizona. Its slopes are so gentle that if you walked up them, you'd never realize you were climbing a mountain. The top is 13 miles above the surface, above the Martian atmosphere. If you stood there, you'd see the curve of Mars below you. And black space above. No wind, no sound, just endless rust-red silence waiting for someone to climb it. Follow for more.